This grinder cleaning, as we said, Friday, we are going to be with a class of grinder cleaning. We are going inside into the intestines. Say intestine. Okay. So now we are going on another part. So guys, you have questions, you can put in your questions. You can put in your questions. So someone can ask, why are you opening the bahai when you clean the house in front? So you don't clean the behind of the house. So you have to make sure that all the parts are clean after reassembling them again. Guys, are you hearing? Hope you are hearing there. You are hearing? So this part, we are aiming for the inner part so that we can make sure it's also looking good. Because when you grind coffee, it makes different sparks. It shatters. It moves all angles. So as you can see also inside, see, there is a lot of coffees which are inside. So we are going to blow them out. And guys, you can see it. Hope you can see it. So we are blowing them out also. I hope they are hearing you. So now we are going to be cleaning now. With this, one is a bit wet, another is dry. So we clean each part slowly. Make sure that you don't tamper with any wire that you don't know about. Okay, you keep them intact. Okay. Let me do it like this. I think here they can be seeing it. So you can see now, inside is clean. Okay. So when you're done with that, we have checked inside from down, it's all clean. Now we are cleaning here. We are using our slightly wet cloth to clean. A cloth, you don't use soap. Okay, you use just soak it in water, then you rinse it. You make it just slightly wet with a dry one. Make it dry so that that water doesn't remain any wetness doesn't remain inside. Sasa good, as you can see now, even it's clean now. You can see it. It's different from before. You can see it also. Now we go on the face, because you can't clean the behind and you leave the face when it's dirty. So here, so now we clean inside slowly. Just clean it gently. Where you can't reach, you can use your gadget that you have been using it for opening. You do like this, then you clean inside slowly, so that each and every coffee which has been in the corners where you can't pass with the hand, you can use this miner. So any other thing that can reach very well, then you remove and clean it well. So as you can see, it is clean here. So this part, this is a rubber where coffee passes. Okay. So make sure that each and every part you care for it very well, so that you don't leave any loophole from it where you don't have, where you have not cleaned. You can see now, even though you broke, nothing is there inside. Not like before. So here we are good to go. So when we finish up this one, as you can see now, it will not look like new, but at least we do our best and we make it reasonable for the customers. Where the coffee comes out, now you can see it is clean from this way. As you can see here, even inside here, it's clean. Uh, Even here, you can see it now. It's totally clean. Okay. So now we are going on the other part. Which part now? This. Can say how can I clean these ones? These ones. We also clean them the way we have cleaned the other ones. Unfortunately, our brush was taken by someone, but we are going to use what we have to make it clean. Okay. Make sure that you give it time. You clean all the angles. Okay. Clean all the angles where the screws sit, because they all get coffees where the screws sit. It's what the coffees I'm trying to remove now. Here, you can see in these screws where they sit, they have coffees inside. So if you use a chemical, at times it will not reach in these corners. Okay, so those coffees, they will be kept inside. Hope you can understand what I'm trying to say here on this. Okay, I'll try to clean it with this. Can you see it? It's getting better now. So if you don't have the other brush, the steel brush, you can improvise, though ours was taken somewhere, but we had to do it today as we promised you. Yeah. So now you can see it's getting cleaner and cleaner. Not like before. It had a lot of coffees on it all over. So we are dealing in coffees at Yurid Coffee Roastery.com. You can see it now. It's clean. You can see it, how clean it is. Before it was full of coffees, but right now it is amazing. Put it there. So we get this second. Now you can look around it. You can look around it. The coffees, they get stuck inside here. They get stuck inside. Some they get stuck inside here. So you better, when you are cleaning it, you make it thoroughly. So we start. I told you, you do it gently. You don't rush. Give it your time. It's better to do it on the day when you are not so busy. It will be more better. Because if you are in rush, it means that some parts are going to miss out to be cleaned. Okay. So now I'll get this. As I told you, we improvise and clean. Okay, I'm back. We've been working on our good customers. We are on this. Okay, so you can start with that one also. I think it is the last one. This one finished? Okay, this one's finished. All right, that one now. So these bearings, if you don't clean them very well and make them to be without any coffee powder, there and then, the moment you try again to grind your coffees, these coffees which had got stuck inside here and they got already burnt, automatically they are going to mix in your coffee, the one you're grinding, and the taste will automatically change. That's a must. The taste will automatically change, and also the flavors. Now someone tell me, if you're a barista with this grinding name, this bearing, how will it bring out dirty coffee when it's clean like that? You can see it now. Before it was full of coffee powder, but right now as clean as it is. So each by each, we are going to be putting it back. As we told you, you have to make sure. If you are not certain of how to reassemble it when you are opening it, make sure that at least you take a picture of each part that you remove, or a video, to make sure that you know. In order to remember
very
Yeah.
well.
So